London-based Humanoid is getting a major boost in bringing its robots into real factories and warehouses across Europe. The company has officially partnered with Bosch in a manufacturing agreement that could help scale production of its HMND-01 robots much faster. This comes after the two companies completed a successful real-world test earlier this year at one of Bosch's logistics facilities in Buhl, Germany. During the trial, the HMND-01 robots were put to work moving boxes from conveyor belts onto transport trolleys. That may sound simple, but the robots had to deal with 5 different box types, all with different sizes, weights, and shapes. Even with those constant changes, the robots handled the task smoothly, without interruptions, which is exactly the kind of consistency warehouses are looking for. Humanoid has been developing robots specifically for industrial jobs like manufacturing and logistics. The HMND-01 comes in 2 different versions. One is a humanoid-style biped robot that stands about 175 centimeters tall and weighs around 70 kilograms. It can move at speeds up to 1.5 meters per second, carry loads up to 15 kilograms, and operate for roughly 4 hours on a single charge. The second version uses wheels instead of legs and is designed for heavier-duty work in more demanding environments. Both versions are powered by Humanoid's custom Kinet IQ system, which controls everything from movement and object detection to task execution. The robots are also modular, meaning companies can customize them depending on what kind of factory or warehouse tasks they need completed. Bosch's role in the partnership is a huge part of why this announcement matters. The company already has massive experience in manufacturing complex systems at scale, so it's not just helping build the robots. Bosch will also support the entire production process, including engineering, supply chain management, manufacturing efficiency, and cost control. At the same time, Humanoid is continuing to improve the robot designs so they become more reliable, easier to repair, cheaper to produce, and more practical for long-term industrial use. The testing in Germany gave both companies enough confidence to move beyond the prototype stage and start thinking about larger-scale deployment. The robots successfully scanned boxes, adapted to changing conveyor speeds, and transferred products without slowing operations down. That kind of flexibility is becoming increasingly important as warehouses and factories try to automate repetitive tasks while keeping operations running around the clock. The partnership could also lead to even more advanced versions of the HMND-01 in the future. Bosch and Humanoid are already exploring ways to integrate Bosch-made motors, sensors, and actuators directly into the robots. The idea is to make future models faster, stronger, and more tightly connected with existing industrial systems. Humanoid robots have been getting a lot of attention lately as companies race to solve labor shortages and improve warehouse efficiency. While many robotics projects are still stuck in the experimental phase, this partnership suggests Humanoid may be much closer to seeing its machines working in large numbers inside real industrial environments.